Hi, we are going to do question number 26. Get ready.
Okay. Question asks, if you are currently hold a market index portfolio, okay, would you choose to add either of this portfolio to your holding? So basically now you have the market index. So do you want to add in either A or B? Alright, so explain. So basically here what we need to do is to check which one is preferable, A or B. So what we want to do actually is to find the expected return for A and B, new expected return, for us to compare with our expected return here. Okay, so now let's find the ERA using the CAPM method. So ERA, we have T-bills 6 plus 0.8. Okay, 0.8. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be 0.8. Okay, 0.8, 12 minus 6. Okay, ERP is 6 plus 1.5 beta here times with 12 minus 6. Okay, so here you should get 10.8, and here you should get 15%. Okay, so now we compare with this one, our expected return. Here expected return A for A is 11% and for B is 14%. Do you know now how which one should we choose? Okay, alright. To compare, okay, basically you can see that 10.8 is lower than 11%, and this one is higher than 14%. So what we can say is we choose A because it is underpriced, or in layman it means that you target 11%. However, when you analyze, you get 10.8. Okay, so it is good because you know that your A, portfolio A, can goes up to 11% in its return. Okay.
Okay, now look at question number B. If instead you could invest only in bills and one of these portfolios, which would you choose it? So it means that now in your portfolio you have no more market index. Alright, so okay, previously you can imagine like this. You have T-bills, okay, and then you have market index, and then you choose A for portfolio. Now the new one, instead of having market index, you want to substitute. So basically your portfolio will have only T-bills and one here. Question is, which portfolio should you choose? Alright, what you can do here is you need to compare. So you need to compare between, because you are going to substitute the market, isn't it? So you need to compare market performance versus A and also versus portfolio B. Alright, so how to compare? When comparing, you can use Sharpe ratio. If you remember your Sharpe ratio, it is ERP minus RF divided by standard deviation. Okay, so we want to find the highest S ratio because the highest one shows how much return can we get per risk that we bear. Okay, now let's check market 1 first. Market 1 is 12 minus 6 divide by 20. Okay, so 12 minus 6 divided by 20, standard deviation. Here you will get 0.3. You need to compare now market sharp either with A and B. So let's check for A. A is 11 minus 6 divided by 10. Here you should get 0.5. And if you calculate for B, 14 minus 6 divided by 31, you should get 0.26. So in this case, A is the highest. It means that if you compare 0.3 and 0.5 with 0.3 and 0.26, so it is preferable for you to replace market with A, because A gives the highest Sharpe ratio. So that's it. Bye.